Ever sent money in a flash? Hey everyone, have you ever been caught in a situation where you needed to send money to someone right away? Maybe you forgot your wallet while grabbing lunch with a friend, or perhaps you need to split a last-minute birthday gift with your siblings. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to send money quickly and securely is becoming increasingly important. That's where Zelle comes in. It's a popular person-to-person, P2P, payment service that allows you to send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the U.S. But with so many banks out there, you might be wondering, does my bank work with Zelle? That's a great question, and fret not, because that's exactly what we'll be tackling in this video. We'll dive into the world of Zelle-compatible banks and credit unions, explore some key things to know before using the service, and even answer some frequently asked questions. So, buckle up and get ready to become a Zelle pro. The big network of Zelle. Zelle boasts a vast network of participating financial institutions. Here's the cool part, Zelle doesn't actually have its own bank account. Instead, it acts as a facilitator, partnering with numerous banks and credit unions to seamlessly transfer money between them. This means that whether you bank with a major national institution or a smaller regional credit union, there's a good chance you can leverage Zelle's P2P magic. Finding your Zelle match. How to know if your bank works with Zelle. Now, how do you find out if your bank is part of the Zelle party? There are a couple of ways. Check your bank's website or mobile app. Most banks prominently display their Zelle compatibility on their online platforms. Look for logos, mentions of Zelle services, or dedicated Zelle sections within your banking app. Use the Zelle website. The official Zelle website has a nifty tool that allows you to search for participating banks and credit unions. Simply head over to Zelle Enroll and enter your bank's name or zip code. The search results will tell you if your bank is on board. Beyond the big names, a glimpse into Zelle-friendly institutions. While Zelle boasts partnerships with major banks like Bank of America, Chase, and Wells Fargo, its network extends far beyond. Here's a sneak peek at the kind of institutions you might find on the Zelle roster. National banks, think Citibank, PNC Bank, Truist, and U.S. Bank. Regional banks, these institutions cater to specific areas within the U.S. Examples include Capital One, primarily on the East Coast, or Fifth Third Bank, Midwest. Credit unions. Many credit unions across the country have embraced Zelle, offering their members a convenient P2P option. Important considerations before you Zelle. While Zelle offers a speedy and seemingly effortless way to send money, there are a few crucial things to keep in mind. Know your recipient. Zelle transactions are final. Once you send money, it's generally gone. Double-check the recipient's phone number or email address before hitting send to avoid accidentally sending money to someone you don't intend to. Be wary of scams. Unfortunately, scammers sometimes try to exploit P2P services. Zelle emphasizes never sending money to people you don't know or for unfamiliar purposes. Transaction limits. Be aware that your bank might have daily or weekly sending and receiving limits for Zelle transactions. Check with your bank for specific details. So, you're ready to Zelle? If you've confirmed your bank works with Zelle and understand the essential pointers, you're good to go. Most banks integrate Zelle directly into their mobile apps or online banking platforms. Look for the Zelle option and follow the easy on-screen instructions to initiate your first P2P transfer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.